Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hope so you are well and having a good health. Viewers, in this video you are going to see beautiful and easy 50 half up and half down hairstyle ideas that you can recreate for any occasion. Whether you are looking for a casual and effortless look for a day or mode for a fall style for a special event, we have got you covered. Our hairstyle will guide you through each hairstyle, sharing helpful tips and tricks from simple braids to elegant twists. These half up and half down hairstyles are perfect for any hair type and length. Not only these hairstyles versatile and flattering, but they are also quick and easy to recreate. You don't need any special tools or products to achieve these looks. Just a few bobby pins and some hairsprays. So whether you are in a rush or just looking to switch up your hairstyle, these 50 half up and half down ideas are sure to inspire you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair tutorials and beauty tips if you think that this video was helpful for you.